Yes, students of class 11th. Now, in this video, chapter name, some basic concept of chemistry. Now, from this chapter, we are taking one topic today. Now, this topic name is mole concept. Mole concept is really very important topic, right? So, children, why we start going to the topic mole concept. Children, you all know in very daily life what we do. We ask for any shopkeeper, yes, give me 1 dozen banana. See, these are the measuring techniques. Simple. What do you mean by this? 1 dozen is equal to 12 articles, objects, and one score means 20 articles. One gross is equal to 144 articles. Exactly what is this? These are the measuring techniques, children. These are the measuring techniques, methods, measuring methods of amount of substance or articles. See, okay. So on the same way, children, what do we do in this? Children, we know matter, or in chemistry, matter we assume as a chemical. Chemical is made up of atom, molecules, ions, okay, or electrons. We can extend this concept on electrons also, protons also, or any other elementary entities. Alright, children. So this is, so in same way in chemistry we measure the chemicals, okay. Or we also measure the, through this concept we can also, it help us to measure the number of atoms present in molecule, number of molecule. So student, mole is a measuring technique. So mole is a unit, mole is a measuring techniques of atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, protons, or any other elementary entities, children. So what mole is a chemical unit. So now we are going to start some important fact, okay, some important fact of chemicals. So number one point is, children, the mole word, right? Mole word, it is a Latin word, okay. This is a Latin word which means pile, which means pile or heap or mass, okay. So this is a fun. Second point, this mole word is taken from the German word is known as molecule, okay. This is a word, German word, molecule. Now in popularly you have heard this molecule, okay. This is a molecule. Now in short we can write this mole word. So student, this is another fact. Now the mole word, this mole word first was coined by scientist Ostwald Wilhelm in 1896 or 97. Alright, this is the time. So in this, right, so this is a point. Next fact was very important fact, children. There was a meeting in now we are talking, come to the 14th General Conference on weight and measures, right? So weight and measures in 1971. This meeting was held in 1970. So they adapted as a mole, as a SI unit of amount of substance, children. This is a fact, is very important. So children, in 14th General Conference, right, on weight and measures, right, They adopted as a mole in 1971 as a SI unit of amount of substance. Clear? So children, we all know, as there are many ways of measuring techniques. Clear? Weight and volume is the being most common, right children? So children, the mole concept is very simple, right? It is a, but it needs application in solving problems or numericals require a thorough practice, children. And next, mole concept is powerful tool or important tool, essential tool for the study of fundamental of chemical. Clear? Now next, so we can say, what is mole? We can say mole is a basic unit of substance. Clear? Mole is a basic unit of substance. Mole is a basic unit of substance. Mole is a basic unit of atom. Mole is a basic unit of molecule or ion or electron, proton, or any other elementary entities, children. So children, next we will come to the, yes, so where do next point we can add more. So mole we can use for the counting of atoms, counting of molecules, counting of ions as a unit. Okay, mole as a unit. So chemists, they have used as a unit mole. Now next we will work on the definitions. So children, what is the definition of mole concept? So mole is a concept, is a mole is the mole may be defined as the amount of substance, as mole is defined mole may be defined as the amount of substance containing as many other atoms like atom, ion or molecules or any other elementary entities as there are present in as there are atoms present in exactly 12 gram of C12, 12 gram of C12 atom. So see this, what is the definition? So mole is the amount of substance, okay, as there are atoms, ions, molecules or any other elementary particles. So children, moles as a substance containing right as many containing as many atom, ions, molecules or any other particles as there are present in exactly in 12 gram of carbon 12 element. So this is a standard definition of mole concept, right? Is the amount of substance containing as many atom, ions, molecules or any other particles as they are present exactly in 12 gram atom. So this is a standard definition, children. Now we will come to this calculation. Okay, so this is the definition. Next, calculation of this value. So after mole definition we will come to the calculation. Children, calculations of Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Symbolically we write N or sometimes N naught. Okay, this is the Avogadro number. So children, we have very simple formula. Number of carbon atom in 1 gram atom is equal to mass of 1 gram atom, mass of 1 gram atom C12. All right. So similarly, next, mass of C12 atom. So children, this mass we can predict found by the measure of mass spectrophotometer. Mass spectrophotometer. So it is a fixed measurement. So now put the mass of one, we all know mass of one carbon atom weight 12 gram upon mass of C12, that is also fixed, 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23. So children, so when you will divide this number by this, so it will cut to the value, this number is, we can write 6022 or 1367 into 10 to the power 23. So this is a value, atom upon gram atom. Okay, atom, or this is a gram atom. So this is a calculation. Now children, see, this is a value. So this is a value, in simply we can write 6.022 10 to the power 23. Okay, this is for simplicity we are doing. This is simple. Now children, so this we can say, next conclusion, we can say that next, yes children, this we can say that mole has, we can say that mole has 6.022 10 to the power 23 particles. So children, chemists have defined definite number of particles. So this is a definite number of particles. This is our Avogadro number value. This is a mole number value for we can say. Now for simplicity, its value is equal to the Avogadro constant. So this value is equal to the Avogadro number value, and this is this. Now next point. So children, 1 mole represents, next point, 1 mole represents this number. 1 mole represents Avogadro number, that is our 6.22 10 to the power 23 particle. So children, this is a definite number of particles. So is this way very simple method of this, this is a calculation, is this number has come. Now children, so in this video we have studied several important facts of mole related to the mole concept, and then definition of the mole concept, and then the calculation of this Avogadro number children. Now in next video we will work on mole concept. We will use on absolute masses, mole concept used in the absolute masses of mass of atoms and molecules, absolute mass of absolute or actual mass of atoms and molecules, and mole concept as used in ionic compounds, and some important relationship between mass, between the particles, and so what is the important relationship between the mass, particle, and the volume children, and and then next we will work on we will take some important numericals based on this mole concept children. So children, in this way we end of this video now. Thank you children. Okay, we will see you in next video. That video will contain the following content, that contains absolute masses, okay, or actual masses on mole concept of atom and molecules. Okay children, thank you children.